Hello and welcome, friends. If you're over 55, your heart health is one of the most important things to pay attention to. But here's the thing, many people don't realize that certain foods, habits, and even lifestyle choices could silently be damaging their heart without them even knowing. In today's video, I'll share with you 3 heart health secrets every senior needs to know right now. And I promise, these tips are simple, easy to understand, and most importantly, something you can start doing today. As we get older, taking care of our heart becomes even more crucial. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death for seniors in the United States? But don't worry, the good news is it's not all doom and gloom. There are things we can do today to keep our hearts strong and healthy, no matter our age. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. I've heard this before, I need to exercise, eat right, and stay active. And while those things are true, today I want to take it a step further. I'm going to show you some common foods that might be silently damaging your heart. I'll also give you simple alternatives that will support your heart health and keep you feeling your best. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming up. Secret number 1. The hidden danger in common foods. Secret number 2, the power of omega-3 fatty acids. And secret number 3, heart-healthy habits to add to your routine. Let's start with secret number 1, the hidden danger in common foods. You may not know it, but some foods that seem harmless can actually be contributing to high blood pressure, clogged arteries, and increased cholesterol, things that can damage your heart over time. Foods like fried snacks, processed meats, and sugary drinks are all too common in many senior diets, but they're often loaded with unhealthy fats and excessive sodium. These can lead to high blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Take, for example, a classic fast food meal, like a burger with fries and a sugary soda. While it might be tempting, especially on those busy days, this kind of meal is a huge contributor to poor heart health. The problem lies in trans fats and high levels of sodium, which can cause inflammation in your arteries. This increases the likelihood of plaque buildup, leading to a condition known as atherosclerosis. As plaque builds up, your arteries narrow, making it harder for blood to flow freely. This increases the chances of heart attacks and strokes. But don't worry, we're not here to make you feel guilty about your food choices. Instead, let's look at healthier alternatives you can enjoy that won't compromise your heart health. Instead of those fatty, processed foods, try swapping them out for options that are rich in heart-healthy nutrients, like lean proteins, fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. For instance, instead of a fried meal, why not try a grilled chicken breast with a side of roasted vegetables? Or a salmon fillet with quinoa and some leafy greens? These foods are not only delicious, but they're full of nutrients that help reduce inflammation and promote healthy circulation. Salmon, for example, is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. And instead of sugary sodas, water or herbal teas are the perfect substitutes to keep you hydrated without the added sugar. See, making simple food swaps can have a huge impact on your heart health. And we're just getting started.
So this is today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care of your heart.